guys, welcome to a quick video on tips how to save your wood furniture from heat spots and watermarks, stains, whatever you want to call them. This is a pretty simple method as long as you have a iron, like a clothes iron, and a cotton towel. I'm going to show you how to do this. I tried to get the best angles I can. It's a little bit dark in here, but these are some side tables I got from a neighbor for completely free because they were moving out and it didn't match the current decor for what they purchased for their new place. So I figured, what the heck, like, if this doesn't work, I'll scratch them up, maybe restain them. So I had nothing to lose. But you can try the other methods first, like they suggest using an olive oil and vinegar mixture. I've heard things with toothpaste as well as mayonnaise. But yeah, I just used this because it was a quick method. I had this stuff here and I thought, what the heck? Like, we'll just try it out. So it's quick, it's easy. I did it on one side table. I'm going to show you on the second side table how it turned out. It was impressive. I don't know, it was pretty easy. I just took a towel and a iron and got the iron hot and put the towel down as a barrier in between the table, and you just iron it out. And the heat will eventually, I think it just evaporates the water beneath the surface, or just evaporates the water, period, and it goes up into the towel and it comes out of the wood. So it works great. I will show you how to do this at the best of my ability because my current tripod is broken. But if you want to see more tip videos like this that are, you know, kind of household helpful tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with some friends or anybody you know. So right here you can see my setup. I got the lamp. There are two here that are a little harder to see. You can see there's a ring here, slight residue here, and then that's the darker of the spots. I had a huge one on the other table because I put a paper plate down that had pizza on it, so it left a huge ring. But I'm going to show you how to get rid of these right now, and it's really quick. You just need an iron and a cotton towel. When your iron is nice and hot, lay out the towel over the white spot. Once you have your towel down, it's very important that you keep your iron moving around the area of the white spot you're trying to move. Slow and steady strokes. Don't go too fast, but don't go so slow that it burns a hole through your towel by leaving it in one area for too long. Be sure to check the progress in between every few minutes. You'll see it lighten over time. I also find that it helps to rotate the towel after a minute or two. Okay. So it's still there, but we're going to keep going because it worked on the other table. This table had a big ring right here, which you can no longer see. Let's get back to this table. Okay, see guys, it's coming. It's pretty much almost gone. If my camera will focus, it's really blurry. You see there? The circle is pretty much gone. I don't know how much this light is really helping. But see how the circle's gone? It really does work. Try it on a piece of your furniture if you've got watermarks. I'm going to see if I can get this to come out here. I think it will though. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, here's the finished table. I worked on the spot up top again. And it did. It came right out. So, there's one little spot right here I missed. I'm going to go back and do that. However, it looks pretty good. I mean, there's like scratches and stuff in it. But yeah, I'm going to go back and do this watermark. But, yeah. And just to show you I didn't switch tables, we're going to come over here. And we're going to see this table. This table looks pretty good too. This one isn't as scratched up as the other one, but yeah. Looks pretty good. And I'm getting glass initially to go over top of these tables. There's a glass place near me and I'm going to have them cut it. So depending on what I want to do with the top here, I might get something to put it underneath the glass if it ends up looking really bad. But I think if I just fill in like a couple of these nicks and scratches here, you might not notice it because it'll go with the rest of my beat up decor, which I don't have up because I currently have like my Christmas stuff up. But like my stuff is kind of like that. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I know it's really dark in here. That's why I was debating filming, but thanks for tuning in. If this was a help to you and you're going to try it on your stuff, let me know how it turned out down below. Everybody I know who has tried it, it's worked great. So make sure, if you tried everything else, don't trash your piece of furniture. Try this method. Trust me, it might save a piece of furniture. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for other weird videos and tips, and I do vlogs too. But thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye!